Throat and neck sign and symptoms, swollen and red tonsils. Swollen and red tonsils. The tonsils are influenced by the lungs, stomach, and large intestine channels, and are prone to heat or toxic heat. Red and swollen tonsils indicate heat or toxic heat, often in the stomach and or large intestine channel. The tonsil should always be inspected in acute invasion of wind heat, particularly in children. Red and swollen tonsils are frequently seen in children during acute upper respiratory infection. During acute invasion of wind heat, a swelling and redness of the tonsils indicate a more severe degree of wind heat and often the presence of toxic heat. They also point to an involvement of the stomach and or large intestine channel and tell us that the child has probably a pre-existing condition of heat, often stomach heat. Chronic redness and swelling of the tonsils that come and go indicate either chronic heat in the stomach and or large intestine channel, more common in children and often due to a residual pathogenic factor, or empty heat in the lung channel. In both cases, the swelling and redness may be intermittent and less pronounced than in acute cases. Chronic redness and swelling of the tonsils used to be called milky moth when they resemble the wings of moth and have a milky fluid on them, and both tonsils are affected. It generally indicates a greater severity than if only one is affected. So treatment note, acute redness and swelling of tonsils from wind heat, large intestine 11, triple burner 5, large intestine 4, and 214. Chronic redness and swelling of the tonsil from stomach heat, stomach 44, large intestine 4, large intestine 11, and stomach 11. Acute condition. In acute condition, redness and swelling of the tonsils may occur with an invasion of wind heat. Indeed, the sign always indicates that the pathogenic factor is wind heat rather than wind cold. However, swelling and redness of the tonsil with an invasion of wind also indicates that there is toxic heat of external origin. This is an important diagnostic differentiation in the choice of herb, as we will need to address the toxic heat. Chronic conditions. In chronic conditions, redness and swelling of the tonsils indicates either heat, which may be full or empty, or toxic heat. This may affect the stomach or large intestine channel in children. Chronic tonsil is nearly always related to residual heat or toxic heat following repeated invasion of wind heat, especially if treated with antibiotics. In adults, chronic tonsillitis often is due to empty heat in the lungs and or stomach channels. Invasion of wind heat with toxic heat. Acute swelling and redness of tonsil in severe cases, causing pus, severe sore throat, aversion to cold, fever cough, stuff or runny nose, with yellow discharge, headache, body aches, slight sweating, slight thirst, swollen tonsils, tongue slightly red on the side of the chest area or on front part, floating rapid pulse. Acupuncture, large intestine 4, triple burner 5, bladder 12, lung 7, large intestine 11, and large intestine, lung 11. Toxic heat in the throat at the chi level. Acute redness and swelling of the throat, which owes pus. Severe sore throat, difficulty in swallowing, high fever, thirst, mental restlessness, a feeling of heat, dark red tongue with a red point, and thick, dark yellow coating. overflowing slippery rapid falls. Acupuncture, stomach 44, lung 10, lung 11, large intestine 4, and toxic heat in the stomach and intestine. So there is chronic redness and swelling of the tonsils, thirst, foul breath, burning epigastric pain, thirst, sour regurgitation, nausea, excessive hunger, a feeling of heat, constipation, red tongue with a yellow coating, and overflowing rapid falls. So acupuncture, stomach 44, lung 10, lung 11, large intestine 4, and large intestine 11. Stomach and lung yin deficiency with an heat, chronic swelling and redness of the tonsils that come and go, dry cough or with scanty, sticky sputum, dry mouth and throat, especially in the afternoon, thirst with a desire to drink and a small sip, dull or burning, epigastric pain, feeling of heat in the afternoon, night sweating, 5 palm heat, bleeding gums, tiredness, malar flush, thin body, red tongue without coating, bloating, empty, and rapid falls. So acupuncture po natin ang lung 7, kidney 6, lung 9, run 12, spleen 6, stomach 36, lung 10, and stomach 44. Clinical note, according to the author, a chronic swelling of the tonsil in the children denotes a residual pathogenic factor, usually dampness, heat in the stomach, and large intestine may also cause a chronic swelling of the tonsil in children. Thank you po for your listening.